What is up, everybody? Hey, tonight we're doing, I think most people know them as Navajo tacos. The recipe we have calls it Danish enchiladas, but it's basically a scone with a chili mixture on it. Then you top it with lettuce and cheese and whatever else you want. But instead of cooking the scones in grease, I decided to try it in the wood oven, just like a regular, like a pizza. So you've got so it's basically like a baked scone, I guess it'd be the best way to call it. But this way you don't have all the oil and it's a lot healthier for you, even though bread's probably not that healthy for you. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you another way of using the wood oven to cook up some bread. Kind of a fun way to do it. If you hold it up near the top of the roof of the oven, it's a lot hotter up there. We'll do that with pizzas too once in a while to help melt the cheese. But you get a nice brown out of it. Anyway, hope everybody has a good evening. Enjoy.